Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So I'm here with another client install. You guys have really been liking these, so I decided to do another one on my homegirl's hair. So I will be showing you how I install this lace front curly wig. So the hair I received is from Alipearl hair. It came with instructions on how to care for the hair, a cap as well as a bag and like a wrap cap to lay down your wig. As you can see, the curl pattern looks amazing. The curls on this wig were like really flawless. So I did go ahead and start off with the ball cap method. I did lay down her ball cap with the Got To Be Glue gel and the freeze spray, let that dry. And now I just cut off the extra lace and taking some Got To Be Glue and putting that around the edges, just where that little bit of lifting is when you apply the when you cut off the cap. And I did put some makeup on the actual wig as well as I am putting it on her ball cap. And then I will go in with some alcohol and just wipe around to get the extra makeup off of her hairline where the glue will go. So here I'm just putting on the wig, testing it out, making sure everything fits correctly and trying to see exactly where I need to cut it. Here I'm going in with my set lotion and putting that on her hairline just to help with the flyaways, to get all of that hair pulled back before I go to apply the glue. Now I'm just taking my razor and cutting off the extra lace, and I will be using the Bold Hold Extreme Cream to lay down her frontal. I haven't tried the Bold Hold Active, but I do know the Extreme Cream works perfect. You just want to make sure you are applying your layers really thin, and I go the opposite way that the cap is coming up and letting them dry clear in between. I did 3 layers on my client. So here I'm just going in and pulling down the wig. You want to get it right on the edge of the glue, and as you can see here, I didn't take it down far enough, so I am taking some of the hair and putting that down on the glue, since she was going to be getting baby hairs anyway. But to prevent that, you want to pull the wig all the way down to the edge of the glue so that you won't have to do that, and then you can make baby hairs pretty much optional. So once I let that sit on for about 5 minutes, I'm just going to take that up and cut off the extra lace that I see like over on the sides. Or if you didn't want to cut that off, you can just add some more glue and press it down. But I just went in and cut those pieces off so that I can, try to mimic her actual hairline. So here I'm just pulling out thin pieces of hair to create her baby hair and just cutting that with a razor as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and form her part. And as you can see here, I did over bleach her knots. Well, like some of the bleach came through, so you do see in the middle where you have bleach where it's like a brown spot. So I'm going to fix that, so you guys just hold off just one little second. I'm gonna show you how to fix that because it was the bleach did run through. So I'm just taking my hot comb, my wax stick, and forming that part. And then I'm going in with my foaming lotion, and then just creating like some soft little baby hairs, because I think curly hair looks really good with baby hair. Like, it's curly hair. So that's what I'm doing here, is just adding some of the foam to her edges and creating some soft baby hairs. And if the baby hair isn't really moving, I just go in and add some more um, setting lotion, foam, whatever you have. But you just want to make sure it doesn't have alcohol in it or whatever, because that's what's going to make your lace come up. So I'm taking some eyeliner and just putting that on the part, and then like spraying it out with my comb just to help with the little pieces where the bleach actually went through. So as you can see here, now everything just looks flawless. I'm just hot combing it back, trying to get like that little peak up right there to get it really cute. And then I'm just going to spray some holding spray to kind of hold the back down. And on the left side, or her right side, it wasn't laying as flat as I liked or as the other side. So I'm just going in and hot combing layers just to get that front part a little flatter and sleeker like the other side. So I'm just spraying some water and taking some of that setting lotion, putting on their hair, as well as some oil sheen, give it a little shine back. And then that is it. That's all that I had to do for this install. I didn't pluck the frontal any or anything. I just bleached the knots, washed, and let the hair air dry. As you can see, the hair looks amazing. These curls are like really, really pretty, and it has like a nice little luster to it. I didn't add any product to the hair besides the setting lotion um and the oil sheen. So yeah, getting a little excited for this install, y'all. It looked amazing, and I'm just showing you guys that you can part it anywhere in the front. So yeah, definitely let me know what you think about this style. I loved it, my client loved it. So I'm just gonna so yeah, y'all just click the link down below so you can check out this hair company and let me know what you think about this style, or what other styles you guys would like to see. Um, yeah, that's all I have for now. I love you guys, and then until next time, bye.